Our topic is United Nations. Today we are going to learn about the United Nations. The United Nations is an international organization. The name United Nations was coined by United States President Franklin D. Roosevelt. First used the name United Nations in the declaration by the United Nations on 1st January 1942 during Second World War. Original UN logo created by a team of designers in the 1945 led Oliver Lincoln Lundquist. History of the UN. After World War II, the nations of the world came together to find ways of preventing wars in future. 50 countries gathered in San Francisco, USA on 26 June 1945 to sign a document that we call Charter of UN or the UN Charter. The United Nations officially came into existence on 24 October 1945. The official languages of UN: Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Spanish, and Russian. The aims of the United Nations: to maintain international peace and security. Second, to develop friendly relationship between nations. Third point, to encourage respect for human rights and the freedom of all the people. Fourth point, to achieve international cooperation in solving economic and social problems. Fifth point, to help fight diseases and preserve the environment. Now we are going to see the structure of the UN, or we can say the organs of United Nations. First, General Assembly. Second organ, Security Council. Third organ of United Nations is Economic and Social Council. Fourth organ is International Court of Justice. Fifth organ is Secretariat, and the last sixth organ is Trusteeship Council. Now we are going to see their headquarters. The United Nations has 6 main organs that we have already seen. 5 of them, the General Assembly, the Security Council, the Economic and Social Council, the Trusteeship Council, and the Secretariat, are based at UN headquarters in New York. And the last one, the sixth, the International Court of Justice, which is located at Hague, which is in Netherlands. Now we are going to see one by one their organs. First is our General Assembly. The General Assembly is the main organ of the UN. Why it is main organ of the UN? Because all the decisions are taken in this General Assembly only. It is made up of 193 member countries. Every member country can put forward its ideas and opinions. Our second organ is Security Council. The Security Council is the most powerful organ of the UN. It is responsible for maintaining international peace and for restoring peace if a war breaks out. The Security Council has 15 members, 5 of them have permanent seats. These are the United States of America, United Kingdom, France, Russia, and China. These are the 5 permanent countries. India is trying to be permanent over there, but due to some reason, India is not the part of these permanent countries. These permanent members have the power to veto. Veto power is the negative point in United Nations, which means these 5 countries have the power to reject any legal or official decisions. The other 10 members are elected each for 2 years. The time span is for 2 years only for temporary countries. Okay. UN's third organ is Economic and Social Council. The Economic and Social Council, which we also call ECOSOC, works under the General Assembly. It looks after those programs of the UN which provide help to developing nations, related education, health, and culture. It looks after the works of several agencies that work for the poor and needy. ECOSOC brings people and issues together to promote collective action for a sustainable world, which means they are also working for the sustainable world, eco-friendly world, okay, so that they can reduce the pollution. The council also coordinates the economic, social and related work of the United Nations funds, programs and specialized agencies known as the United Nations family of organization. So they are having special agencies under ECOSOC. What are those special agencies? First, UNICEF, United Nations Children's Fund. The logo is this one. UNESCO. Second, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. This is the logo of UNESCO. Next is WHO, World Health Organization. Next is FAO, Food and Agricultural Organization. Next is ILO, International Labour Organization. So under ECOSOC there are so many agencies, but right now I'm just mentioning few agencies name only. Fourth organ is International Court of Justice. Let's see what is the role of International Court of Justice. The International Court of Justice, also known as the World Court, is the main judicial organ of the UN. The Peace Palace, home of the International Court of Justice at The Hague, which we have already seen, which is in Netherlands. The court's role is to settle, in accordance with international law, legal disputes submitted to it by states and to give advisory opinion on legal questions referred to it by authorized United Nations organs and specialized agencies. The International Court of Justice is composed of 15 judges elected to 9 years terms of office by the United Nations General Assembly and the Security Council. So these 15 judges are elected by General Assembly and the Security Council for 9 years. Okay. Next is our UN's fifth organ, Secretariat. The people who works in the UN, that is the staff members, form the Secretariat. The head of the Secretariat is the Secretary General. He or she carries out the decision of the Security Council and is a powerful person. The Secretary General is chosen for 5 years by the General Assembly. Here you can see the picture. The present Secretary General Antonio Guterres assumed the post on 1st January 2017. UN's sixth organ, Trusteeship Council. The UN Charter, which we have seen that the rule book of this UN established the Trusteeship Council as one of the main organs of the United Nations and assigned to it the task of supervising the administration of trust territories placed under the international trusteeship system. The Trusteeship Council is made up of 5 permanent members. Yes, we have seen these 5 permanent members are China, France, Russia, Federation and the United Kingdom and the United States. Okay, that's it. So these are the 6 organs of United Nations. So I hope you have understood the basic work of United Nations and its organs. Thank you.